Hi you guys, just the other day we were talking about Wealthfront and how I had transferred some money into a Wealthfront cash account because they were given 2.57%. Well, guess what? Not anymore. I'm going to talk about it in a second here. Firefighters Financial Toolbox. So it was only last week that I made a video about the Wealthfront cash account and how I got 2.57%. And I got that and I went to it, I got attracted by it because it looked good, right? It had gone up, I'm gonna check the dates, but maybe 2 months before it had gone up from 2.51% to 2.57%, which is pretty awesome. And that's why I changed some money over. Now, I told you I'm still a fan of Ally and I still have an account with them and I promise I'm gonna keep that. But let me read the email that I received from Wealthfront this morning. Hi Bradley, because of the Fed's decision to decrease interest rates, the interest rate on our Wealthfront cash account is changing from 2.57% to 2.32% APY. Beginning today, your other benefits will remain the same. You still receive the FDIC insurance to up to $1 million, unlimited transfers, and no fees. What does this mean for me? This decrease means that for every $1,000 in your cash account, you'll earn $2.50 less in interest per year. Even with this change, we continue to get you the highest rates we possibly can, 23 times greater than the national average for banks. Why did the interest rate change? The rate we can offer is impacted by the federal funds rate. So when the Fed lowered his rate, we have to follow suit. Everyone does. But whatever the Fed's rate, we will pass it on as much as we can. What if the Fed raises rates? Well, if he raises rates, we'll raise your rates too. We believe your savings should be making money for you, not your bank. Okay, so let's talk about that. I said in my video I made last week about that yes, it's a low interest rate environment and interest rates that the banks offer can be changed at any time. And I also told you that I'd make an update to this video if it came out. It's not too long ago, if you remember, when I made my Ally video, this one, about online bank rates dropping across the board. And I was surprised when Wealthfront actually raised their rates. Well, the time has come for them to lower their rates as well. And so we go on. What have I learned from this? Lessons learned. Don't be attracted by shiny objects, you guys. It's the same thing investing. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Now, 2.32% is still better than 2.1, which I'm getting in my Ally account. And I'm not going to cancel the account because it went down, because it's still getting me some money. But I need to remember in the future to follow my own advice and think just because it came out for a minute doesn't mean it's going to stick around for a long time. It's going to be hard to get much money on cash accounts anywhere going forward with the interest rates being as low as they are. All right, so I hope you got something out of this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Check me out on my blog, firefightersfinancialtoolbox.com, and we'll make another video real soon. All right, we'll see you. Thank you. Bye.